Since the 90s, email marketing has been taking the world by storm. Almost every business on the planet has a massive list of email addresses from customers and leads. But are you putting these addresses to good use? Or watching them sit and gather dust? What a waste. Clearly, you need to whip out that feather duster and reactivate your customers and leads, keeping them in the loop with your latest offers and news. But do you know of any simple ways to send bulk messages? You could import your contacts into some of the most popular ESPs, but you can't do this without a re-verification process. In other words, you could lose up to 95% of your contacts because they don't know who you are or they've just forgotten. The question, then, is simple. How can you get back in touch with your contacts without losing them? The answer is right here at BulkResponse.com. It's our job to not only clean out your old email list, but also give you a cutting-edge platform to control everything. With BulkResponse, you can easily import leads, enjoy an unlimited number of contacts who you can email as often as you want. Should your volume increase, you can upgrade your service to purchase more email credits at any time. We take care of list hygiene and email deliverability so you can focus on what matters, maintaining communication with your customers. It's so easy to get started, a toddler could do it. Why can't you? Go ahead, pick your package and sign up today. BulkResponse, the future of email has arrived.